The Miyawaki Forest project was inaugurated at Technopark. It is an initiative by the Rotary Club of Technopark. 1,300 trees were planted in 20 cents of 179 species. Dr Shashi Tharoor MP inaugurated the function.
So what you're planting today probably will be a full-fledged, shall we say, forest in the time that all of you are still working in this career. Secondly, you also obviously contribute to the environment, to ecology, to clean air, all of that. Third, biodiversity protection. We are an incredibly rich biodiversity source in our country, and particularly in the southwestern Ghats and onwards.
MLA Kadakampally Surendran spoke on the occasion.
നമ്മുടെ നാടിനെ സംബന്ധിച്ചിടത്തോളം ഇന്ന് ആവശ്യം വേണ്ടതായിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു ഘടകം എന്നുള്ള നിലയിൽ ആധുനിക കാലഘട്ടത്തിൽ നഗരവൽക്കരണത്തിൻ്റെതായിട്ടുള്ള ദോഷഫലങ്ങൾ അനുഭവിക്കുന്ന ജനങ്ങളുടെ ജീവിതത്തിൽ തന്നെ മാറ്റം വരുത്താൻ പര്യാപ്തമായിട്ടുള്ള ഈ മിയാവാക്കി വനവൽക്കരണത്തിന് എല്ലാ വിധത്തിലുള്ള ആശംസകൾ നേരുന്നു. നമസ്കാരം.
Kerala IT Park CEO John M. Thomas said that the green concept is being implemented in all IT parks in Kerala.
We will also be doing a number of green initiatives, including solar panels, electric vehicle charging stations, etc. And I really want to emphasize on the fact that we will be taking sustainability as a key priority for all the parks, not just Technoparks, for all the parks.
Rotary Club members Harish, Mohan, Manu Madhavan, K Sreenivasan and Shyam attended the function. Those who were behind the Miyawaki project were honored at the event.